Hi there. Today I'm going to show you how to make an elegant Christmas centerpiece using live greens. We're going to have a chimney and a pillar candle. It's going to be something you can enjoy all season long. I'm going to set my chimney down here. I'm not going to secure it. And I'm going to do the same thing, putting my candle in there. And what I'm going to do to hide the little bit of floral foam that is showing around there is I'm going to tuck some little pieces of boxwood in there, or cedar. I used 2 floral foam blocks, and this is actually just a tray from Dollar Tree. And I taped this down with waterproof floral tape. So let's see what we can do to cover up the, oh, that didn't work, to cover up the floral foam there. I think the cedar might work a little better, but we'll see. I'm just going to cut some tips off of this variegated boxwood. But so many places really want you to have a chimney on your candles to protect things. And of course you could always do this with a flameless candle, one that's not really going to burn. So I'm just going to go ahead and tuck those leaves in there. And that's probably going to be enough to hide it. Now I'm going to take some bigger pieces of the boxwood and I'm going to start by filling in with the boxwood. If you can't find variegated boxwood, the green boxwood will work just fine. For our length on our centerpiece, I'm just going to set this boxwood aside for right now. If you see the water on the table, that's one thing. If you buy boxwood that you're going to use, make sure you soak it in water and keep it in water until you're ready to use it so it does not dry up. So I'm going to use the cedar to add some long pieces to the end of our centerpiece. This is going to be a large oblong centerpiece. And I just use wire cutters to snip my pieces of evergreen apart. Make sure that you add some of all of the greens that you're going to use all the way around. You don't want them just to appear on the ends or on the top. And I'm going to go ahead and add some pieces up around our chimney. And that's a nice thing about using a chimney if you're using a real candle, is that you don't have to worry about something artificial catching on fire. Your greenery, particularly when it has a water source like this does, is probably going to stay nice and moist for you. So I feel that's good with the cedar, so I'm going to start adding some white pine. Same thing, I want some longer pieces on the end, and then I want to fill in with some of the little pieces. Particularly up around your chimney, you don't want that floral foam to show. And once again, I'm going to have to turn it around. Make sure you turn your arrangement around and check out all the ends and the sides so you know where you need to add greenery. This is a great thing to have on hand if you use an artificial Christmas tree like I do, because you will get the wonderful fragrance of the Christmas greens added to your home. I'm going to add pine cones. Take some 21 weight floral wire and just wrap it around the top of the pine cone like that. And then you can stick it right down into your floral foam. So if you have evergreens growing in your yard that you can trim up, you can make this for next to nothing. You can probably find some pine cones out in the woods to bring in. So think about adding some natural elements to your home that you can forage for. So I'm just going to put 3 of those on each end like that. I picked up some white alstroemeria and red carnations from the grocery store, and I'm going to add these. These are both fairly long-living flowers, and as long as you keep water in your container, you could probably have these for a couple of weeks. And they're also a nice, easy stem to pull out of your arrangement and replace. So as they get past their sell-by date, you can go ahead and just pull them out and add some fresh ones. There you have it, a beautiful Christmas centerpiece. If you do not want to add fresh flowers to yours, you can add ornaments, you can add artificial flowers, ribbon, whatever you would like in yours. But you can see that this is a very easy way to just replace these flowers as they fade, and you can have it all Christmas season.